Picking the boat out of the water. Rope snapped. Boat went rolling back onto the ground. Trying to get it fixed right now. Look at that.
Fuck, bud, this is your boat. I wouldn't be recording us.
I know, you gotta... Content,
History!
bud.
History!
Content.
Put your block.
Watch a scientist at work get it back in the water.
Oh yeah, there you go. Put them together. Put them together in the middle.
Yeah. The only problem is we only get one. Leon's Jackson the way for two.
You want me to pick it up on this side? Pick it up and I might side this side. Okay, hold on. I'll let it down. I'll let it down. Then we'll
move to the sides.
Yeah.
They were over there with their hands under the trailer. Just roll it back again, huh, Bruce? It's on that buoy.
Tide's going down.
Oh, hey, where are these?
I don't know, we knocked two under there though. It'd be too much.
Jamming, jamming, it's going fast.
Let's do one.
Okay.
Crazy.
Back!
Go ahead, Bud.
Whoa.
Easy.
Super
Get the
good.
other one back here.
Yeah.
Hold on. Jack it up, Leon.
Ooh, getting it.
Over there. What do you think?
Jack it up. Just keep going.
Had to put a,
Okay.
Keep going.
Go ahead.
that rope right there snapped. Had to put the red one on.
Thought I had it in there good.
Ooh. That buoy getting smooth. Oh shit.
Pretty soon, BL. Let's just keep going.
Yeah, send it.
Just keep going.
Full send.
All right, the volleyball's about to go off.
Oh shit.
Let her in the water, guys.
Go ahead, Leon.
Send it.
Will it go? Oh, want to let it go?
Yes, I like.
Back a little bit.
Walk with it, smoke.
Walk with it.
Hey, don't walk.
Okay, good.
Can you get that buoy out? I'm going to touch this.
Yeah, yeah.
We need to get that buoy out first.
A little more. Hold on, Bruce. Let's just keep going. We're good.
Okay.
Keep going.
As soon as you can get that ball out.
It's out.
Good. Keep going.
There we go. Whiskey.
Good.
Hey guys, oh.
Woo! You pulling it out now, Bruce? Or? No.
No, we're good. Just drop it back in.
Got the nets off, so.
Everything's right there.
Happy season. Hey, way to send it. Full send.
All right.
Got
Good
him.
job.
Hey,
Good job.
Oh shit.
Better get up there, Frost.
sauce or coke?
Go ahead now.
Ooh.
Drop the motor. Yeah, drop the motor now. Watch that buoy line.
Yeah, it's all floating on.
Okay, go ahead.
Oops, sorry y'all. Gotta drive. Back in the water. All right, fixed it, guys. Peace.